Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant on lock screen on RedMagic 10R. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and click on Voice Match. Then click here to enable Hey Google feature, and now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Then scroll down and click I agree again. Now click next. And click on Retrain Voice Match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you have to go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. Now go back again and click on Gemini. Then scroll down and click continue, and scroll down and click use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.